We made GPT-4.1-mini consistently beat its bigger brother GPT-4.1 at Tic-Tac-Toe using in-context learning. Let's see how. So the idea is simple. We can record trajectories of winning matches and pass the moves to the models when we call them. For example, in this match, move 6 is a winning move. We can then store all the moves and pass them to the model at relevant points in time. An example of this could be after our instructions of where to play. We can show the models different examples that are relevant for this move, and then we just pass the common input. The model will learn how to play with this. We have decided to use Opera for this. With Opera, it's very easy to define this type of experiments. We just need some instructions, some structured inputs and outputs, more about this in our docs or future posts, and then we just make a model call. We define the model that we want to reach, the board state, and the move. And when we just pass the examples as part of the call. But there is an even better way of running this with Opera. We can save all our winning moves in the Opera platform, and then when we call the player or call the model, it will automatically retrieve the best examples for the specific move. Let's see how to do that. So we create our player where we define our inputs and outputs, and in configuration we define a few shot of 3. A dataset will automatically be created for this, where we can store our winning moves. And finally, when we call the model, it will automatically retrieve the best samples for that move. So let's run it. As you see, in both ways, the move is number 4. We can now go to the Opera platform and see how the examples are passed. Here, if we look in our traces and our last call, we will see under generation the full prompt used for the model and the examples that are automatically retrieved. Finally, if we look at the results of our tournament where we play 100 matches, we see that our GPT-4.1-mini goes from losing the majority of the matches to winning 86 out of 100 matches, nearly a 200% increase in effectiveness. If you would like to try this out yourself, visit opera.ai or navigate in GitHub to our cookbook, where we have all the code for this video. See you.